My name is MABOU LOISEAU. I'm 7 years old. And welcome to my math class. Today, I get to be my own teacher. I fired Mommy. Too much money. I'm just kidding. So, let the magic begin. Now, I'm gonna do multiplication. 8 times 6 is 48, and 8 times 8 is 64, but instead of 64, I'm going to put 68 because I added this 4. So 8 times it's 24. So instead of putting 24, I'm going to put 30. So let me put my 0 and 3. It's 30 because I added the 6. So 8 times 4 is 32. So I have to add 3 to it. So it's 35. So let's continue. 8 times 7 is 56. So 56 plus 3 is 59. My 9 and my 5. And 8 times 2 is 16. 16 plus 5. You know, it's 21. So what I do now is I cross my 8. And I cross all these numbers, and now I'm on my 5. But I have to put a dot right here because I can't write anything here. I'm gonna put everything right here. So 5 times 6 is 30. 0 and 3. And 5 times 8 is 40, but instead of putting 40, I'm going to put 43. And put 3 and my 4. And 5 times 3 is 15. But instead of putting 15, you know how it rolls. I put 19. And 5 times 4 is 20. So I put my 1. Here you go. So 5 times 7 is 35. Oh, my multiplication sign is running away. I put 37. So 5 times 2, 10. 13 because I added 3 to it. So I put my dot and I cross all the numbers. And I cross the 5. Now here's my 9 times table. 9 times 6. 6 minus 1 is 5. 6 needs 4 to be 10. So it's 54. So let me put my 4. And I put my 5 up high. And 9 times 8 is 72. So let me put my 7 because plus 5, it's 77. So 9 times 3, 27. Of course. So instead of putting 27, I'm gonna put 34. Put 4, and I put my 3. And 4 times 9, 4 minus 1 is 3. So you know that it's 30 something. And 4 needs 6 to be 10, so it's 36. So, but instead of putting 36, I put 39 because I have to add it to the 3. Put my 9, and I put my 3. And 9 times 7, it's 63. So, let's continue. But I put 66 because I have to add it to 3. And let me put my 6 and my 6. And 9 times 2 is so easy. It's 18 plus 6, 24. So I put my 4 and my 2. And now all we're gonna do is addition. Add all of this together. So 8 plus 0 is 8. And 8 plus 0 again is 8. And 3 plus 4 plus 0 is 7. 5 plus 9 is 14. So 14 plus 7 is 21. So the answer is 21. Nine plus 1 is 10. And 2 plus 4 is 6. So you already know that the answer is 16. So 1 plus 7 is 8. And 1 plus 9 is 10. So you already know that it's 18. Oh, let's do it like this. 2 plus 1 is 3. And 3 plus 3 is 6. And 6 plus 6 is 12. So let me put my 2 and 1 plus 1 is 2, and 2 plus 4 is 6. And 0 plus 2 is 2. 1, 2, 3, comma. 1, 2, 3, comma. So, it's 262 million and 861,788.
One over 2. 4, 1 over 2. Good. Times 6.
The first thing you do, you have to get rid of the whole number. So here's how you get rid of it. 2 times 4 is 8. Let me just put multiplication sign. And 8 plus 1 is 9. And here let me put an addition sign. And then you see, it turns into 9 over 2 times 6 instead. So now we are going to put a 1 in the denominator. And here, look. And 2 divided by 2 is 1. And 6 is equal to 3. Here they have 9 over 1 multiplied by 3 over 1. And when you multiply 9 times 3, 27. So I put 27 over 1. And this is the answer. 27 over 1 is also equal to 27. Both of these are the answer. And now we're going to work with the fact. The dot means times. So it's minus times minus. And minus times minus is plus. And let's continue. Plus times minus is minus. And plus times plus is plus. Minus times plus is minus. Minus times minus is plus. Plus times plus is plus. Minus times plus is minus. Plus times minus is minus. You see? And the division is the same thing. Minus divided by minus is plus. Just like minus times minus. Everything is the same. Plus divided by minus. It's minus. Plus divided by plus is plus. Minus divided by plus is minus. Minus divided by minus is plus. Plus divided by plus is plus. Minus divided by plus, is minus. Plus divided by minus is minus. You see, both of these had the same answers. Let's start. 3 times 5 is 15. So I put my line 15. And minus 3 times 2 is minus 6. Look, we have to simplify it. We have to see how many times we can find 6 and 15. Oh, I know. We can find it 2 times. Because 2 times 6 is 12 is equal to my line. I'm gonna put my 3 because 15 minus 12 is equal to 3. That's the remaining. And I can't forget to put my 2. Then I put my 6. And I can't forget to put my minus. And look, we could still simplify it. Let's divide this by 3. Divide by 3. Divide by 3. My equals. And I won't forget to put my minus. So instead of putting it in front of the 6, I'll put it in front of the 2. And 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1. And 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. So the answer is this. Division. It's just like a multiplication in disguise. So, let's do it. All I have to do is put my 2 over minus 4 and change my sign. Then I just flip this. It turns into 8 over minus 3. But this is a multiplication now. So let's do it. 2 times 8 is 16. Line and my 16. Minus 4 times minus 3 is equal to plus 12. Let me just put my 12. And I'm gonna see how many times I can find 12 and 16. But first, let's divide them instead. Oh look, let's divide them by 4. Divided by 4. Divided by 4. And then I put my equal sign. And I put my line. And I put my, 4 times 4 is 16. So I put my 4. And 4 times 3 is 12. So I'm going to put my 3. Then I put my equal sign. And now I'll see how many times I can find 3 and 4. Everybody knows that we can find it 1 time in 4. I put 1, and the remaining of 4 is 1. So I put my line, and I put 1, and I put my 3. And this is the answer. Bye-bye, my friends. So sad leaving. But still, I can go play with my dad now. And I hope you learned something from this. So kids, don't be scared of math anymore. Math is a game.